Hey there, my fearless viewers. Today I've got a groundbreaking topic that's going to revolutionize the way you think about mental health. We're diving headfirst into a world of self-discovery, personal growth, and unlocking the hidden potential within you. So strap yourselves in because this is going to be a mind-blowing ride. Picture this: a brave new you, equipped with the key mental health resources that will empower you to navigate life like a pro. We all know that mental health is a hot topic these days, and rightly so. In fact, did you know that approximately 1 in 4 people worldwide will experience a mental health issue at some point in their lives? That's a staggering 25% of the global population. But here's the catch. Most newbies to the mental health scene have no idea where to start. That's where I come in. I've done the legwork, sifted through countless resources, and compiled the ultimate guide to help you get on the fast track to mental well-being. First up, let's talk about therapy. It's not just for the crazy or broken folks out there. Therapy is a powerful tool that can help anyone, regardless of their background or circumstances. Did you know that talk therapy has been proven to be effective in treating a wide range of mental health conditions, from anxiety to depression? And get this, a whopping 80% of people who engage in therapy experience significant improvements in their overall well-being. But therapy is just the tip of the iceberg. We'll be exploring a plethora of other resources, such as support groups, online communities, and even innovative apps that can help you track and manage your mental health on the go. So, my friends, if you're ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and unlock the potential within you, then buckle up and hit that subscribe button because this is going to be an epic series that you won't want to miss. Stay tuned for part 2, where we delve deeper into the world of therapy and uncover the secrets to finding the perfect therapist for you. Remember, the brave new you is just a few clicks away. Now that we've set the stage for our incredible mental health adventure, it's time to dive even deeper into the sea of possibilities. As promised, we're going to explore the world of therapy and uncover the secrets to finding the perfect therapist for you. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk numbers. Did you know that there are over 500,000 licensed therapists in the United States alone? That's right. 500,000 trained professionals dedicated to helping individuals like you navigate the complexities of the human mind. Now I know what you might be thinking. How on earth do I find the right therapist with such an overwhelming number to choose from? Well, fear not, because I've got you covered. We're going to break it down step by step, so you'll be armed with all the knowledge you need to make an informed decision. First things first, it's important to consider your specific needs. Are you struggling with anxiety, depression, or perhaps dealing with a traumatic experience? Different therapists specialize in different areas, so finding one who aligns with your unique situation is key. By narrowing down your search, you'll increase the likelihood of finding a therapist who truly understands and can support you on your journey to mental well-being. But it doesn't stop there. Factors like location, cost, and even personal compatibility also come into play. After all, you want to feel comfortable and connected with your therapist, as this will greatly enhance the effectiveness of your sessions. Did you know that research has shown that a strong therapeutic alliance between client and therapist can significantly improve treatment outcomes? Now you may be wondering, how can I access all this information? Well, my friends, the internet is your best friend in this journey. There are numerous online directories such as Psychology Today and Good Therapy, where you can search for therapists based on location, specialties, and even insurance coverage. And don't forget to read reviews and testimonials from previous clients. They can provide valuable insights into a therapist's approach and their success in helping others. So, my fellow adventurers, with these nuggets of wisdom, you're well on your way to finding the perfect therapist to guide you through the twists and turns of your mental health journey. But our exploration doesn't end here. In part 3, we'll delve into the world of support groups and discover the power of community in fostering growth and resilience. Until then, keep that curiosity alive and remember, the path to a brave new you is within your reach.